So what did you find out about Justice Ginsburg? I thought it was pretty impressive that she finished tied for first in her class at Columbia Law School, and that she has done so much in her career to promote equal rights for women. She's a very impressive person. Let's move on to the next thing I want to show you about EBSCO. We are still logged into the EBSCO database. We want to click on Advanced Search and make sure we check the full text box. I'm going to look for more stuff on my topic of personalized learning. So I'm just going to search for personalized learning in the United States. And I'm going to show you another way to make sure you're focused on recent information if that is what your topic requires, which this one certainly does, because there's been, as you know, a lot of changes related to personalized learning and distance learning because of the pandemic. Okay, so let's sort. We use these tools right here to sort. So this isn't going to narrow down your results. It's just going to sort them in a different order. So I'm going to have 102 when I start, and I'm going to have 102 when I finish. So you want to put the newest stuff on the top. And that way you can just go down the first few and see how recent. So here's the articles sorted. This has to do with healthcare. This is about coaching. Those aren't really on my topic, but this one is about one-to-one computing. And that's certainly not the same as personalized learning, but it's really connected because it makes it possible. But it looks like it's going to be interesting because it's going to talk about how that one-to-one learning impacted and what they needed to do. Again, you see that you don't really have the full text here, but you can click over here on the PDF full text and read the article. How one district reworked a failed EdTech strategy. So it's not just about the computers, it's about how you use them and how you tailor the educational needs to the needs of each individual student. So that's what this article is about. It's going to, I think, just from skimming it, have a lot of good stuff for me. So again, I'm going to use the citation tool, and I'm going to get my MLA citation right here. And I'm going to save that in my works cited page. That's how you sort your results.